Hey everybody, hi. I'm the military, and I'm just gonna cut to the chase, alright? So, I was up here watching a video, Kid Behind the Cameras video, and this happened. Listen. So, something, my computer just randomly went off, and then it started making this. It's like there's something wrong with it, alright? Well, what's wrong with it? Alright, what's going on here? What's going on here? Why is that computer making that noise? Why is it making that noise? Get up. Hey, wait, hey! Why is it making that noise? Don't ask me. Turn it off. I don't know how to. I really don't know how to. Well, find a way or else I will. Turn it off. Turn it off, man. It's making a ruckus. Turn it off. No. I'm gonna make you suffer. Hey, what? Turn that. Alright, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. Oh no, I am gonna do it, alright? Unless you turn it off. Turn it off. Hey, don't throw stuff. Turn it off now. I'm gonna turn this thing on. No, stop. Get your hands off of me. There it is. I'm gonna shut this thing down. What the hell was that? What was it? Don't ask me. I don't know what it is. But you better know what it is. You better know what it is. Man, we were watching a video and then this crap happens. This is your fault. How is it my fault? You never turned off the damn computer. That is true. Yeah, okay. Ow. You know what? Man? This is your problem now. You understand me? What was you doing? I'm just thinking. You know, this is your problem now. You understand me? Why did you push me against the thing? Because I can, alright? Is that too much to ask? Alright, stop. You need to stop right now. You need to go, alright? Get out. Get out. You get out of here. I'm telling you one thing right now. I'm tired of your bullcrap. You hear me? You hear me? I'm tired of your bullcrap. I'm not gonna scream. I'm not because it's late. But I'm tired of it, alright? I'm really tired of it. Do something. Ow! Oh, it's out. Don't. Don't make me do that again. You understand me? You know what? What's your deal? What is your goddamn deal? Seriously, man, alright? All you had to do was just turn off the computer. Well, I didn't want to turn it off, alright? I didn't want to turn it off. What are you going to do with that? Turn it off. Hey! Hey! Don't you do that crap to me. You understand me? Don't do that. You know, I'm out of here. Goodbye. God, I can't take people anymore. Good riddance, man. Yeah, goodbye. I'm going to get out of here. I'm telling you. See you later. I always enjoy this video. Goodbye.